Hey guys, good morning. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate Insider, our podcast, where America goes for funding for the last 20 years. Your nationwide commercial and residential lender. Today we're talking about self-employed home loans. One of my favorite loan programs is to help self-employed. We're very passionate about helping the self-employed. We have some of the best, most aggressive loan programs in the market if you're self-employed and you're trying to buy a home. And you know what? Most self-employed people, they have the hardest time getting financing. How many of you guys watching this video know someone, or you've been, a victim of getting denied by your bank because you're self-employed? They're like, hey, you're trying to buy a house. My own bank, my personal bank, has denied me where I deposit my money for a home loan. So I know how it feels. So we want to come out with some really cool products for the self-employed to help all you guys out there. Whether you're a truck driver, you own a business, you're an entrepreneur, you're an attorney and a doctor, and if you own your own practice, if you're a veterinarian, you're an entertainer, a dancer, you own your own rig, whatever it is that you do and you're self-employed, you're an Uber driver, you get paid by Venmo or Cash App. There's a lot of ways that you're an artist. A lot of artists get paid by cash, right? And they make great money. A lot of artists do really, really well, but they can't get a loan through their bank because their tax returns don't show enough income to qualify. Do you know anyone that fits that bill? I don't know millions of people, but I know there are millions of people in America that fit that mold. So we're here to help you guys. We can go up to a $3 million purchase, a home up to $3 million. The minimum purchase is $200,000. And we can do it without no tax returns. You don't need tax returns. You don't need W-2s. You don't need pay stubs. We have a lot of special financing programs for you if you're self-employed. We want to hear from you. So we want you to call or text us at the number above. We're a direct nationwide lender. Been doing this for over 20 years and helping thousands of Americans all over the country. There are some requirements for these programs. We're going to talk about the requirements. There's different type of loans. There's bank statement loans. There's no documentation loans. There's 1-year tax return loan programs. There's 1099 loans. So there's a lot of different options for you if you're self-employed. You can put a loan directly in your company. You can buy the property in your LLC. So you have a lot of solutions of things that you can do. And I want you guys to be aware of that, because I don't want you to get disgruntled and get frustrated and quit because your bank denied you for the loan. There are ways to get you financing, and Angelo Christian has a solution. So please call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331. We want to hear from you. Let's go into some of these loan programs so you guys can understand the different type of loans. First, we have a 1-year 1099 loan program. You can buy a house just by showing your 1099 down to a 620 credit score. So 620 to 659 credit score is 20% down. 660 to 699 is 15% down. And 700 plus is 10% down. And you go up to a $3 million home all over the country with the exception of Maryland. So you can buy up to a $3 million house if you just show us your 1099 for the last year. Let's say you made $200,000 on your 1099, you can buy a house. Probably up to a $1.5 million with your 1099. You don't need tax, and you can get great rates, great low interest rates, starting at 4% fixed. Okay, so if the bank statement program works for you, maybe you can't show a 1099, you can show bank statements. If you give us the last 12 months of your bank statements, they go off the deposits, how much you're depositing per month into your bank account. So if you're depositing 20 grand a month into your bank account, in some cases you get up to 100% credit, some cases up to 70% credit, and you can purchase your home. You don't need tax returns. You don't need W-2s. You don't need pay stubs. Those bank statement loans are as little as 10% down with no PMI, with low rates, 30-year fixed. So you can get really, really good terms on the bank statement program. If the bank statement program doesn't work, if your income is choppy and you can't show bank statements, you could do a no-doc loan. If you can put 25% down, then you could do a no documentation loan, put the loan in your LLC, where you don't have to show the bank statements, you just have to show proof of funds and have a 700 plus credit. That's another great solution on how you can buy a property on no documentation. The other option is, if you don't have any of those things, you just have a tax return, we can use your last year, 1-year tax return to qualify you if you're self-employed. And that program starts with as little as 10% down. So there's always solutions with Angelo Christian on how to get you funded if you're self-employed. I don't want you to give up. If you know anyone that's gotten denied and they meet some of these requirements, please share this video with them or call or text us. Or you can be proactive and you can click on the link below to get signed up to get pre-approved. We're a direct nationwide lender, been doing this for 20 years. helping hundreds of thousands of people with phenomenal reviews. Please reach out to us. Don't be a stranger. We want to hear from you if you're looking to get funding. So thank you so much for watching Angelo Christian. If you want more information, call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331. Thank you so much, and check out my next video. Thank you.